alif sukun sa. Ya fathatain ya.
This one.
Hamza fathatain
Hmm. Focus. Don't play with your fingers.
kuda. Ya
This is Hamza, not Ya.
kuda sa. Kusa Hamza.
Luija, Hamza.
Hamza fathatain
Hmm.
an.
Yes. Now what will be?
Kusaan.
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 Read 3 times.
Kusaan. Kusaan. Kusaan.
Next.
Kef kedua. Ki. Ta alif sukun ta.
What will be?
Kita.
Yes. Last letter.
Ta fathatain ban. Kitaban.
Very good. Next.
Kef kedua ki.
Hmm.
Wa alif sukun wa. Kiwa.
Yes.
Mim fathatain man.
Yes.
Kiwaman.
Very good. Next. Last one.
Lam kedua li. Pa fatha.
Ba fatha. This one.
Pa alif sukun ba.
Yes. What will
Kita.
be?
Sin fathatain san. Libasan.
Very good.